Okay, so we got this little machine here. This is a
Looks like down there too.
what? God, how do you pronounce that? Autool. 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 STD 103. I don't know. It's like $100, and we're definitely figuring out that if you look down there at the throttle spring there, it's coming from there, and then the smoke is coming all from around there. So he definitely has a throttle body leak, and then this is the lid that goes into the program fuel injection, and I think that's available still. So definitely we're gonna have to fix that.
And look back here. And
yeah, it's
see right there where the end of the light is.
Yeah, it's coming from back there. It could be coming from underneath this guy right here. Yeah, I think it's coming from underneath this guy too. It's probably, yep.
And
all right,
that's the TPS sensor.
Yeah, TPS sensor. Yeah, okay.
And I do have a new one.
Oh, if you fix that, this should,
Fix this.
Yep.
Okay.
Alrighty. So again, this is this little smoke machine. I got it at Amazon. They're not a sponsor. Has some good and bad reviews, but hey, it's working right now pretty good.
Yep.
Showing us where all the leaks are coming from here.
Yeah, we tried the
mouth.
The mouth,
the cigar,
blowing smoke from a cigar
from
that,
right up there.
That we would breathe in, but we never saw
that much smoke coming from there.
We didn't see any smoke coming from these.
Yeah. You could make your own if we get some.
Yeah, I do have the stuff.
The stuff. I mean, it's possible to do that. Just
Philpar, I think it is Philpar gasket maker.
Yeah. If you can get the original or someone that makes it, just get it and it's done. 4 screws, take it off, and then if you want to, we can pull that off right now. But I don't know if I'd want to because we could make it worse.
Yeah. Well, first we'll look up and see if the gaskets are still available.
Definitely the one on the throttle body is according to that buddy of mine who works in automotive, man. There he is. Told me that it's going to be difficult, very difficult, and I'm saying if you can find that hole lower already, and it's already done, including the sensor over there, dude, buy it. Spend the $250 or whatever, however much it is. And
I think if we can seal this one on the cover for the program fuel injection,
that's gonna
and the throttle body one, then I think the jerking is gonna go way down.
Yeah.
Because it has gotten worse. And now, well, that one that's really leaking.
Big time.
Yep.
Okay, so I have the compressor. I have it set to like 4 bars, which is like 35 psi, and then I have this guy set right there to, I don't know, the liters per minute. I have it like at about 3.5. And so far the machine's doing its job. So
that really came in handy.
Yeah, I know that Rudy was saying he saw one what do you call it, review that said that the second time they tried to use it didn't work. Well, I don't know. We could try next week and see if it works. But all right. Well,
but at least it worked one time, and that really shows. Check this out, Barry.
Did you bring the vape pot stuff so we could put it into the vape machine here? And
smoke should not be coming out of there.
Smoke should not be coming out of there.
I would say that's a good guess.
All right, I'm gonna go ahead and stop there.
All right.
It's wow.